In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Manipulator title here on Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but make your way over to any of the teleporters in the game, open it up, and you need to make your way to Hollow Island specifically. Once you're here, you need to find and spawn in this manipulator boss, and all you need to go ahead and do is just defeat this boss for a chance to get the title itself. So you essentially need to farm this guy over and over and over again, and once you go ahead and take him out, there's a chance that you get the manipulator title from him. Now the drop chance is obnoxiously low, it's only about 2%, so you will need to farm the boss multiple times. Just keep going ahead and doing it until you get it, and you can obviously check when you get it by opening up your inventory, going to titles, and finding manipulator on here. Yeah, that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.